Hi, kindergarten friends. Happy Friday. Today we are going to start chapter 10. Identify and describe three-dimensional shapes in your Go Math book. So if you could get out your chapter 10, in the beginning of your book, as you're getting it out, you can just listen to me talk about this. It lets you know what chapters we'll do. There's 10 of them. And it sort of sees it just as a little review of two-dimensional shapes. It gives you some examples of two-dimensional shapes. Gives you a game to play with two-dimensional shapes. Some words that we're going to be using in this one, so some word cards. And then we're going to start on page 573, chapter 10.1. And what they want to know today is, does it stack? So what does it mean to stack something? Do you guys know what it means to stack something? That's right. Put something on top of something else and it stays there. And so what we're going to do is we're going to look at things that stack and do not stack, and we're going to draw them here together. It's going to be a little tricky. Are you ready to start with me? Okay, let's go. So, a sphere. Can I stack a sphere on top of another sphere? Will it stay still? Probably not. So we're going to draw does not stack a sphere right here in this one. I'm going to teach you a trick on drawing a sphere real quick. And then that way you can try it on your own. All right. So when you draw a sphere, it looks like this. You draw a circle. And then you draw sort of like a belly around it so that it looks like it comes out. And a dotted line behind it. That way it looks like it's three-dimensional, like it sticks out. So we're going to say a sphere does not stack. Go ahead and do yours now. If it doesn't look just like mine, that is okay. This is the first time we've done this. All right, let's get out our next shape. Are you ready? A cylinder. Do you think I could stack a cylinder on top of another cylinder? I agree. You could stack a cylinder. Now, cylinder's a fun one to draw. Are you ready? So a cylinder, you draw a circle, just sort of like an oval, actually. And you draw a line on each side. And you draw a circle connecting them at the top. That's how you draw a cylinder. Let's try it one more time. So I'm going to put this one under does stack. So I'm going to draw a circle. You could either do 2 lines down or 2 lines up and then connect them with another circle. So a cylinder does stack. Awesome. All right. What about a cone? Do you think I could stack anything on top of this cone? Probably not, huh? No. All right. To draw a cone looks like this. You draw a circle at the bottom. At the top, you put one little point like that up above. And I draw down to one side of my circle and down to the other side of my circle, and it makes a cone. Let's try it again. So does not stack, right? Draw my circle over here by the sphere, put my dot up top, and draw my sides down. So I have a cylinder that stacks and a sphere and a cone that doesn't stack. All right, let's check out another one. What about a cube? Do you think a cube can stack? Oh, yeah. All right, a cube is a really tricky one to draw, and this may take you a while to draw, and that's okay. All right, you ready? So when I draw a cube, I draw a square. You ready? And then in the middle, I put a dot in the middle. And I cross the one side, I cross the other side, and I come out. So I put a square sort of, it almost looks like on top of it. Then I attach the corners, and I made a cube. Let's try it again. So does stack, draw a square. Let me show you mine. Just draw a square. Then draw a square, do a little dot in the middle, draw another square on top of it, and connect the corners or the vertices. There you go. And it stacks. You guys are doing such a great job with this. Let's go ahead and turn the page. We're gonna skip this side and just move straight to this side. So it says, which shape does not roll? Mark an X on that shape. Which shape does not stack? So which one does not roll? Which of these does not roll? I agree. A cube does not roll. All right. On this one, which one does not stack? Well, yep, the cone does not stack and the sphere does not stack. I agree. Which one does not slide? Well, if the drum can slide, the cube could slide, but the sphere does not slide. It rolls. Ooh, which one can you stack and slide? Well, you can stack boxes. You can stack the cylinders, but you can't stack the sphere. So cool. All right. If that was hard for you, you can try again on this page. If not, no worries. So that was a quick little, does it stack or does it roll or does it slide? So tomorrow we're going to start off what is a sphere and what is not a sphere. Today I challenge you to try at least one subtraction page in addition to doing your work with me, because we need to keep our brains fresh on that subtraction, okay? All right, have a great day, kindergartners. I will see you on Monday to learn about spheres.